Okay everyone, let's move ahead, and I have written two words on the board. Who would like to read it?
Cost and benefit.
Cost and benefit. What does it mean?
Cost means if I am purchasing anything, it means I am paying the cost of that.
Yes. And what about benefit?
And the benefit is if the item is about 5 rupees, I took it in 4 or 3 rupees, it means 1 rupees is my benefit.
Yes. In a simple words, what we can say that if we are getting something, that means it's a benefit for us, right? And if we are losing something, that means this is somewhere our cost. Okay everyone? And in a simple terms, we can say that as exercise is good for our health, right? Water is or rain is good for our harvest. And on the other hand, for cost, we can say lying can cost our friendship, right? And dangerous driving can cost our life, right everyone?
Yes ma'am.
So do you remember one lesson when we talked about reasoning? Do you remember that lesson, reasoning?
Yes ma'am.
So everyone, in that lesson we learned that we make choices for variety of reasons, right? So we balance cost and benefit of one thing with the cost of benefit of other choice based on the information that we have, right everyone? For example, by choosing or by doing one thing, we are choosing to give up on other thing. For example, the cost of that thing or the hidden cost of that choice is losing the chance to do something else. And when we see the hidden cost, we can make the choice clearly. When we don't see the hidden cost, we may end up with the result that we did not want. Are you getting everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So everyone, for that, now we all are going to discuss these points with the help of our SRB. Okay everyone?
Okay ma'am.
So now we all are going to open our SRBs,
Yes ma'am.
and please open the part A. Okay everyone, have you all read the questions?
Yes ma'am.
So there are two choices in every question. Are you able to see?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now everyone, I will be dividing you into groups, and where you need to find a hidden cost as per the question. Is it clear everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. What are we going to do?
Ma'am, we are going to discuss these 3 questions with our group, and we have to share the answer of that.
Okay. So will you question all three? Will you discuss all three questions?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. And there, what else will you find? What you need to find?
Ma'am, we have to find the answers of
Okay.
the hidden cost.
Yes. You have to find the hidden cost everyone. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. And everyone, after discussing the situations, how you are going to answer?
No idea.
I believe it is mentioned in the SRB.
Yes ma'am.
So here, how are you going to answer?
Ma'am, we have to answer in this way.
Yes. So first of all, you need to find that one hidden cost of is not able to. That means you have to first read the situations, find the hidden cost, and where it is relying.
Yes ma'am.
Right? Please go ahead everyone. Okay everyone, have you all discussed?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So now everyone, I hope you people have done the healthy discussion over this.
Yes ma'am.
Were you able to think properly?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So now everyone, let's start answering. So we will start from this group.
Ma'am, I have written one hidden cost of buying a sofa is not being able to host family dinners.
Okay, that means, can you please explain it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we will buy a sofa,
Okay.
this is the hidden cost, but this will not be able to, the sofa we cannot use as a dining table.
Yes. So we cannot use sofa as a dining table. Very nice. Next.
Yes, ma'am. And the next one is dining table. One hidden cost of buying a dining table is not being able to create a cozy living space.
Yes. Wonderful. Next.
Ma'am, the next one is one hidden cost of attending a friend's wedding is not being able to support family obligations.
Yes. That means
Means future costs include strained family relationships.
exactly. Very nice. Next.
The next one is one hidden cost of helping your father is not being able to celebrate significant event with friends. Future costs include potentially losing touch with friendship.
Exactly. You are absolutely right about it. That means when we have opportunity to choose one thing, then there is a hidden cost is there. Right?
Yes.
So you have to make this decision very wisely that what should be, what should we need to choose in that situations. Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Next.
Ma'am, the last one is one hidden cost of pursuing pharmacy studies
Okay.
is not being able to enter the workplace quickly. And this future cost will include high student debt and long study period.
Yes, you are absolutely right about it. Next.
Ma'am, one hidden cost of choosing computer programming is not being able to explore a diverse range of career options. And the future costs include the need for continuous learning to keep up with technology.
Yes, amazing. So as you people have very well answered. Okay everyone, let's move ahead. Now we all are going to explore something else. That means making choices when we are not sure what will be the outcome. Right? Now we all are going to move to the part C of SRB. Everyone, please look at the part C of your SRB.
Yes, ma'am.
And now we all are going to divide this class into groups. So everyone, there are two scenarios. How many scenarios are there?
Two scenarios.
Okay. So first of all, you have to take one scenario and then there are some questions. First, read the scenario with your partner, discuss the questions and write down your answers into notebook. Is it okay everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are we going to do?
Ma'am, we are going to read the scenario with
Okay.
our groups and write the question in our notebook and then share our group answer to the class.
Yes. And after writing the answers, we all are going to share our answers with the class.